I look cute. 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 Hi everyone, my name is makaylamashelle if you're new here, and if not, then welcome back to my channel. So you guys, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys all the info on this install and on this unit that I'm like, I'm loving. You guys, honestly, me and curly hair is like peanut butter and jelly, okay? Curly hair to me, big curly hair like this is just the cherry on top of me, the sundae, okay? Like, I don't even like sundaes. I don't know why I use that analogy, but on top of the, I don't like pie either. Okay, whatever. It is just so cute. I love it. I love how big it is. Look how thick this hair is. Please inform me if you know some 26-inch hair that's thick like this. Please leave it in the comments because I would like to know more. This wig is 250% density. You guys, I never remember density amounts. You know this if you watch my hair videos regularly. I never remember density amounts, but this hair is so thick and beautiful that when it said 250, I said, huh? I said, what? I said, oh, I'm gonna like her, okay? So yeah, y'all, I really like this hair. I do recommend it. It's such a low maintenance wig. I will definitely probably order me another one because if I decide to sell this unit, baby, you're getting the goods. You're getting the goods, okay? So without further ado though, you guys, let's get on into the video. Alrighty, you guys, so it is now time for the install, which, whoa, y'all, look at this bald cap. I really look bald. Would I be cute bald? Hey. Oh, let's take a what's it called, a thumbnail. So you guys, I decided to do the bald cap method. I don't know if I explained this earlier, but I decided to do the bald cap method because when they said transparent lace, they really meant it, okay? They surely did. So I tried to put this wig on with just like my wig cap just sitting on my hairline. Girl, you saw that wig cap right there. Woo, woo. All right. So what I'm gonna do first is cut my ear tabs. I cannot wait till the end to cut my ear tabs. I don't know how people do that, but I like to cut my ear tabs first. Just get it out the way. Let me know what I'm doing. Oh, y'all, I've cut so much hair off that YOLO. That looks good, okay? That looks good, that looks Gucci. Now let's do this other side, the other side, the other side, the other side of me. All right, now that sits very nicely on my ears. Oh, you guys, so what I'm going to be using to lay this wig, Yolissa sent me a little scarf. So I'm going to be actually using this today. Because, girl, I love these little scarves that they be sending because it just helps, like, just lay that wig. Lay it on down. Oh, okay. I don't like how that came out. Oh, I got some cuts on my forehead. It's stinging. It's stinging so bad. Oh, I don't like that at all. I don't like what just happened there. Woo, my skin is on fire. That hurts so bad. All right, nah, that ain't gonna work for me. So to install this unit, I decided to first start off by cutting the excess lace in the front section of the unit, and then I used the got to be glued method where you spray the got to be directly onto the lace in order to install it. Now I find that cutting the lace first before gluing it down is so much easier, neater, and less messy than if you do it after. However, I did try the cutting the lace after method on when I did the sides of the wig. It still obviously worked and glued down fine, but it was just so much excess got to be glue that didn't need to be there if I would have just cut the lace in the first place. Oh my goodness, yeah, it's looking kind of good, but I'm gonna go ahead and clean up just some of the got to be, because girls got to be everywhere and that's not cute. We don't want to see got to be everywhere. Okay, so to lay my edges, first I start off by taking my little edges section with my rat tail comb, and then I'm going to just cut them and swoop them how I like them using some mousse. Now this part is kind of hard to explain because I don't know, like it's kind of either really self-explanatory or you go into like crazy amounts of detail, but yeah, just watch what I do. If you guys want like a more detailed edge video, let me know. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Wow. Wow, I thought I was recording and I wasn't, but here is the finished product for my edges. They're a little bit dramatic, but y'all know I just love dramatic edges. So I would love to pretend I'm gonna tone it down, but I'm not going to. Woo. All right. So this frontal is just a little bit frizzed out just because of my plucking and combing and stuff. So I'm just spraying it with a little bit of water. Look how defined these curls are underneath though, baby. Look at that definition. And we ain't got no product on here. So I think I'm not even gonna put product on it, to be honest, because I don't want them to be weighed down. I really want like big fluffy hair. And I feel like whenever I start putting product on it, it starts to like lay down a little bit. It starts to behave a little bit too much for me. You know, I don't really like behaved hair. I like unruly. You know, I like crazy. I like, ooh, she's just natural, babes. That's what I like. So, you might just say, I love this water bottle. I will link one similar down below. It literally has the best spray, continuous spray ever. Like, I don't really necessarily would need it for this right now, but for my real hair, when I'm doing my real hair, baby. Okay, look, I want you to see this. Hold on, wait. Do you see how long that was spraying? Crazy, crazy, crazy. Okay, I'm gonna use this little wax stick. Rub a little bit of the, ooh. Rub a little bit of the wax in my hands. I don't want to apply it directly to my hair. And then just go like this. And it'll, actually I'm gonna apply just a little bit right here because it's not acting right. And then brush it down. And this way I don't have to straighten anything, but it still lays down. Love this little wax stick. I cannot believe I'm just now, you know, getting one, but whatever, you know, we all sometimes are a little late to the party. I'm gonna make this part so bomb. Y'all are gonna lose your minds. Just wait on it. Just wait. Okay, y'all see it's like this, right? I learned this trick from the Instagram. From the Instagram girls. And then I'm gonna put the comb right here. And I'm just gonna go like that. And then do y'all see how straight my part looks now? Oh, we love to see it. Okay. Honestly, I might make my edges a little bit less dramatic. No, I just love drama. I love the drama. I love the drama. Okay, alrighty guys, so this is the finished look and I'm absolutely obsessed. I don't know what that was, but yeah, I love it. So be sure to, 1, check out other videos on my channel if you enjoyed this one. 2, to check out Yolissa hair. All the information will be in the description box as always. And last but not least, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on my post notifications, and follow me on Instagram at makaylamashelle.